Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Lenovo V15 driver, audio driver, and another all. So guys, first open any browsers to Google search box to like that, and go to this first URL, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website. You can download any driver. So if you about your confusion, it's showing me different laptop, so you can enter the serial number. Okay, in serial number, then click to search. You can see here your system. After that, this is automatic. You just click to scan now, and PC automatically scan and require driver to install. Just one click. And if you are guys install a separate driver, so this is manual features. Just click to driver, and you can see this is all driver there. Then guys, click on the Bluetooth, and you can see this is Bluetooth driver. Just click to download. It is completed. Just click to setup. Then yes, okay, click I accept the agreement. Then next, select the install. Then next, install. This is extract and install. After install, after that, okay, and then click to finish. Then restart your system.